Let's calculate our age from our date of birth. I have a small table here with a birthday and something that says my age, and we will calculate it by using the DATEDIF function from Excel. This is an undocumented function, and if you want to learn more about it, check out the first link in the description. There's a 5-minute video there where I explain this function as well as I can. Now, in this clip, we'll use DATEDIF and the TODAY function to get a real-time age number. And in cell B3, I'm hitting equal to enter my formula, and I'm writing DATEDIF. Now, the first parameter that this function gets, it is the start date, and for me, that is the cell B2. The second one is the end date, and since we're making this dynamic, I will use the function today, which returns today's date. And the great thing about this function is that tomorrow it will return tomorrow's date, and so on, which makes it perfect for our use case over here. And whenever we will open this file in the future, the value stored in cell B3 will be accurate. The last parameter is the unit of time that we want to receive as a result of this formula. We want the age in years, so the parameter for that is y. We will hit enter and we have our result. Now, if we change the birthday value, the age will get calculated automatically each time, and I'm just going to do that for a few quick tests. So everything seems right, the formula works as intended, and this is how we use Excel to calculate our age using our birthdays. Thanks for watching, please subscribe if you haven't already, and have a nice day.